guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Timmy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So today I'll be showing you how I'll be going home from school. Yeah, this section has just ended and I need to go back home. Recall that I told you I live in two places, in Port Harcourt and in Bayelsa. And with the current situation of the flood, you all know. So I'm going to show you how I'll live here, Port Harcourt to Bayelsa, and how the road condition is, like the road condition, current condition of the road, sorry. Then and pretty much everything. So that's it. Yeah, I've already packed my bag. I'm just wondering how I'm going to carry all these things. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I'm currently taking money so that I could pay for my transportation to Bayelsa. Honestly, before Bayelsa transportation was just, let's say, 2,000 naira. Yes, 2,000 naira. But right now, I really don't know how much it's going to cost me. So I have to withdraw 7,000 naira so that I won't be stressed. Yeah, this is the money. So I had to eat before leaving the house and to begin my journey. I had to go to the nearby restaurants. I'm having rice and ofako. After eating, I had to stand at the roadside to wait for a vehicle that will take me to my one. So guys, I'm at the park, as you can see. So I came to the park and it seems it's possible to go to Bayelsa from here straight. I don't really know, but let's just see how it goes here. This is the bus I'm going to be boarded. Wish me safe journey. Thank you guys. Love you. So we're leaving the park now. Yeah, so this is my one flyover. As you can see, my one flyover in River State, Port Harcourt. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, this is Choba Bridge on our way to Bayelsa State. Guys, please pardon me. I was unable to get the front seat, so these guys were at my front and they were always obstructing my video. But we have to move. So we got to the place where the road was really, really bad, and this was the place where people couldn't use their legs or their vehicles to pass. This was where people used canoe to pass. You see that the road is very, very dry, but at the side you could also see flood water. Yes, this was where people used canoe to pass. The road was terrible. You could see fallen vehicles up and down, like trucks were fallen at the roadside. This was to tell you how extremely terrible this was. I couldn't even video because the car was literally shaking. The roads were broken, like as you can see here now. Just look at the roads. It was really, really terrible, but I just had to get this. So, guys, this was the previous condition of the East West Road. My God, it was really terrible, like really, really terrible. Like, look at the flood, look at the current. So, guys, we got to Indiama, yes, and if you can see, the flood is still there, but not really much. And then this is the bridge. I was thinking this bridge has collapsed because people were talking about it, but luckily it wasn't, and we were able to pass up to the other side. As you can see, the water is still big, but we believe that before the end of this week it will go down. So we got to Indiama Market, and today is Tuesday, and Indiama Market always on Tuesday. So yes, you can see people selling plantain, selling yam, and any other thing. You understand? Yeah. So we got to the toll gate. So yeah, this is the toll gate of Bayelsa. I'm so happy for safe journey. I was able to come through. Like I was so scared of the road because of all I've been hearing. But thank God, luckily everything went smoothly, and I'm in Bayelsa now. Yeah, you can see the. So we're in Bayelsa now, and as you can see, the road is dry, but there's still flood. You can see houses inside the water, people carrying canoe as transportation. Okay, guys, this is just so funny. Like people are actually suffering here. So currently at my street, and then the flood is just terrible. Like see now, look at the entire road is full with flood water. I'm waiting for a canoe to come and carry me to where I'm going to. Honestly, this is okay. My ride is here. Before I could enter this boat, oh my god, I was so scared. But I had to, after all, I'm a riverine girl. Oh my god. Oh my. This water is just something else. It's flood. It's really, really serious, honestly. See people houses. Like, you see the marks on the wall. This water have drove away so many people, families. Everyone is now scattered. Like, oh my god. This is very, very serious, honestly. Temperature. He wants to touch the water. So I finally got to where my family is taking refuge. Okay, guys, I'm currently at the place where my family is taking refuge because of the flood. I just got here. So, guys, this is the condition of my house. As you can see, the flood is still big inside. Like, oh my god. Anyways, so we're still going to like stay at the place where we took refuge for like 2 weeks or so. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, I had to change so that I could go to the house. As you can see, the flood is still much inside my house, and it's terrible. Honestly, we really, really need your prayers here. So yes, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and share. And guys, most importantly, subscribe. Subscription is free. It's free, so please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.